Hello and welcome to Coder Hearts, and in this tutorial we will see that how we can add a favicon icon to the website. So first of all we will see that what is a favicon icon in the website or web page. So simply in this web page there is a small image in the tab bar. So this image is the favicon icon. So now we will see that how we can create a favicon icon in our web page. So simply we'll create a web page and then we can add an image. So first of all let me create a folder and name it with my site. After that I'll open this folder and then I will copy simply a favicon icon, paste this favicon icon in the folder. So let me paste this and rename it with favicon. Although it's not mandatory to name your image with favicon.png, you can rename it with any name, but I will rename for favicon so that it will be like more comfortable. Then I will add this with my text editor. So in my case it's VS Code, so let me open the VS Code and then I will create a file inside my site folder and name it with index.html. Then I will enter and then I will simply add a simple text and then I will name it is my site and control S save, and then I will add a code for adding the favicon icon. So let me write the code. So link rel equals to icon and then so I'll write image slash x icon and then I'll write the path. So I will copy the image path of favicon image. So I will copy the relative path and then I will enter in the double quote and then I will save my web page and then I will open it in Chrome browser. So simply I will open the index.html web page. So now you can see that I have successfully added the favicon icon in my web page. So thanks for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful then don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.